I'm styling now. I've got so many new ideas that I have to sit down in my room and write it down.
Just talking about your masterclass, which you just held here as well, how was the experience of that? What was the kind of response you got from those who attended?
Well, it's interesting because the crowd was. I expected it to be only women, but there were a lot of men taking notes. And as we've said now that men like to wear jewelry as well. We're all swapping our diamonds and solitaires. Uh, but every time I do a masterclass, it actually gives me the time to reflect on what the new direction for a bride is going to be, how grooms are looking, and I think it's no longer the attention is only on the bride. I have a lot of weddings where I style just the grooms because I feel it's also their moment. And uh, For a family in India, a wedding is a very, very important thing. And to have a place like the Vogue Wedding Atelier where you can come and it's that one stop for everything, for fashion, for jewelry, for gifting. Oh my God, it's just incredible.
So, who better to ask then now, after what you've seen here today as well, and what you're seeing in the market? What are the top bridal trends that are standing out for this season?
I think the top bridal trends for me are always about celebrating your individuality, not following trends blindly. And I think the collection of designers that we have here do just that. They do all the talking, and for us, it's very easy. We get to work with them. A starting point could be a lehenga, and you change the blouse. That's what stylists bring in, right? And then the way you combine jewelry. So I think if there's one trend that I am pushing, and I always push, is to be yourself, because your wedding look is the look that says something about you without saying a single word. So yeah.
So, are you also seeing, our Indian fashion going global? Every year when you do travel abroad, is that perception of Indian fashion going up and up every year? What are the changes you're seeing? Of course, we're seeing so much talk of make in India, buy in India, and hopefully we need the world to do that too.
I think the world is doing it. I mean, the number of Indian designers that are showing at Couture Week in Paris is growing. And it's just not about the numbers, but it's about what they're putting out there. I think the designs they're putting, the collection that they're putting out, everybody is taking a moment, stepping back and saying, oh my God. Earlier it was only our embroideries that were made in India and no one knew about it. The biggest fashion houses in the world would showcase embroidery done here because our handwork is the best. But now you're seeing finished garments and they're presented in a way that anyone in the world can aspire to wear. So it's a very proud moment for us. I think this is only going to grow, and including our handlooms. I mean, like for me, putting hand woven sari on the Met Gala red carpet, the biggest red carpet in the world. I mean, what a moment, and to be appreciated for that with Indian jewelry. So I think the world is taking notice, and I'm glad that we're the people showing them how to do it.
Final question, since we are speaking to you so soon after India Couture Week, quickly talking to you on what you thought of the design showcase there, anything that stood out, any show that you love the best?
Well, I wouldn't be able to name someone because that would be mean. You hope you understand that. But I think overall, as stylists, we come to Couture Week looking for direction. And let's just say I found some. Yeah.
And we can't let you go without asking you what you thought of Cocktail 2.
I loved it, of course. I thought the styling was spectacular. No, just kidding. I think the film was good. I think we had an incredible cast and crew. And of course, Homie did a fantastic job. So yeah, enjoying all the happiness that Cocktail 2 has brought.
I have to give you that. I think in all the reviews, everyone said the actors looked amazing.
Hey, yes, thank you. Thank you.
With journalist Sudhir Udai Pratap Singh in Delhi, News X.